test-driven development process is a process where an engineer actually codes a test that says what they want their code to do before they even write the code that they're testing, which seems crazy backwards, but the idea is that you're really focusing on what it is that you need to accomplish before you actually try to start figuring out how to do it.
Our software is in the justice sphere, so imagine a police department needing to share case information with a prosecutor, or a prosecutor needing to share case information with a court.
So Matrix Go has calendar, tasks, notes, document uploader, all kinds of features are in there, stuff that we've kind of identified that users are probably going to want to be able to reference while they're away from the office.
But the whole point of that process is that you're very, very, very focused on what you need to build and also why you need to build it. So that helps you to really think through what you need to accomplish, and it helps you to stay very, very focused on making sure you're building the right thing.
You know, if a cop makes an arrest and they gather all this information on the person and the case and the crimes they committed and the evidence that they collected, they have to give all that information to the prosecutors. Back in the day, they'd have to print it all out on paper, put it in a big packet, and because it was a lot of times too big to mail, they would literally drive it to the prosecutor's office, and then they would get it and retype it all back into the computer, which can take a day, you know. It's very inefficient.
Being able to have an always connected device, kind of use your own data plan to get to all the stuff in Matrix, work at your fingertips at any point in time, is useful.
The information just comes into a system. I don't have to rekey it. I don't have to, you know, there's less room for error, less room for typos.
The software development lifecycle is it's how you build your software. And the way we do it is a very agile approach. We break the whole process down, which can take years for large projects. We break it down into little 2-week iterations.
So almost every Matrix product is on a 2-week release schedule, meaning every 2 weeks there's a new version of the software that gets released to all of our clients. That kind of quick turnaround allows us to, if we get an email from a client, meet the needs of exactly what they want very, very quickly.
So you can figure out, are you building the right thing? Are your users happy with what you're building? And they can change their minds, and you don't have to throw the whole project out. You can just keep going.
Client services is our point of contact with all of our clients. Working with them gives us developers a lot of perspective on the needs of our clients that we wouldn't normally have. Being a developer, you get so bogged down in the details of what you're working on, and working with them helps to provide perspective, making sure their needs are met.
And when you think about software quality that way, it sort of opens up a lot of new doors for how you go about building software and the sort of things that you're really focused on when you're trying to design it and build it, because you care more about your user and why they want to use the product. And as a result, you're going to make sure there aren't any bugs, but you're going to be much more focused on the fact that they really enjoy using the software.